Due to rising cost of living, over 32% of freelancers are expanding their business internationally. And surprisingly, the number one issue that they're facing is not finding new clients or dealing with irregular income. The number one problem that they're facing is payment issues like high fees, unfavorable exchange rates, rejected payments, or even frozen accounts. This is why it's crucial for you to find a reliable payment platform when you decide to expand your client base internationally. Having spent a lot of time testing multiple payment platforms and dealing with rejected payments and high fees, I finally found 3 payment platforms that are reliable and easy to use to receive payments from foreign clients. First up, we have PayPal. PayPal is a widely used payment platform known for its ease of use, extensive global reach, and robust security features. Next, we have Payoneer. Payoneer excels in handling multiple currencies and international transactions with low-cost currency conversion. Lastly, we have Wise, which was also previously known as TransferWise. Wise offers low-cost international money transfers using real exchange rates with a transparent fee structure, making it highly cost-effective for global payments. Now let's see how these payment platforms stack up to the 3 requirements that I have when choosing a payment platform. Number 1. Low transaction costs. Choosing a platform with low transaction costs can really make a huge difference, especially if you're using this platform for many cross-border transactions. And if you're watching this video, that's probably what you're using these platforms for. Here's a practical example to show you just how big of a difference transaction fees can make towards your bottom line. As you can see for PayPal, the cost to receive, convert, and withdraw your funds comes up to around $741.5 for a $10,000 transaction. For Payoneer, since they provide you with a local bank account that your clients can directly wire funds to, this can bring your transaction fee down from 3% to 1%, which reduces the overall transaction fee by $200, making it only $301.5 for a $10,000 transaction. However, even with the reduced cost on Payoneer's wire transfers, Wise still comes in at number 1 at only $150 for a $10,000 transaction. So 1 point to Wise. Number 2, global reach. This is important because it allows you to handle payments from clients from all different parts of the world using only one platform. This means you can grow your business, keep your clients happy, and stay competitive without worrying about where your clients are located. For PayPal, they are currently available in over 200 countries and support over 25 different currencies. Payoneer also operates in over 200 countries but supports over 150 currencies around the world. And lastly, for Wise, they are available in over 50 countries and support 50 different currencies. This makes Payoneer the best platform to handle multiple currencies and international transactions. So for this category, global reach, I'll give 1 point to Payoneer. Number 3, easy access to funds. This requirement is extremely important because it will allow you to manage your business more efficiently. The ability to transfer your money from the platform directly into a local bank account is extremely important because this will ensure that you are able to cover your business daily running expenditure as well as make any investments that you need into your business without any hassle. On top of that, having access to a physical and virtual debit card provides you with the flexibility to be able to make business purchases or access cash while you're traveling. In terms of transferring funds directly from the platform to your local bank account, all 3 platforms are quite equal in this regard because they all are able to do this and in a decent amount of time. However, in terms of the physical prepaid debit card, PayPal only offers this to US residents. For Payoneer, this service is available in over 190 countries, and for Wise, it's available in 40 countries. Therefore, in terms of ease of access to funds, I would say Payoneer wins in this category because their card is available in more countries around the world. Additional features. If you're wondering about the other features like their mobile apps, customer support, security, or fraud protection, well, I can tell you that all 3 of these platforms are quite similar in this regard. Their apps are all very user-friendly, which makes it easy for you to access and manage your funds. The customer support is average for all 3 platforms, and the reason why is because normally I'd have to speak to 3 different customer service agents in order to get a very small problem solved. For the security, all 3 platforms are quite secure. They all require you to do 2-factor authentication, as well as if you're making a payment that is a large amount, they would also require you to have another passcode which only you have access to. For fraud protection, I can only speak for Payoneer, and the reason why is because we've only had 1 incident that's ever happened to us, which was handled really well by the Payoneer team. What happened was we had just come back from a 3-month trip, and within a few days I woke up and there was a $400 transaction that came off the card. At first I didn't really think much about it because I thought it was just a delayed payment from a flight or a hotel booking that was only getting charged now. About 30 minutes later, another $300 came off the card, and that's when I decided, hey, let me just log into our account and see what these transactions are for. And that's when I realized that these payments were actually fraudulent payments. Someone was using our card to buy some crypto for themselves off a platform that I've never ever heard about. After realizing this, I immediately contacted Payoneer support, and they helped me block my card as well as log a fraud claim. I was thinking that this was going to take at least 1 to 3 weeks in order for me to receive my funds back, or whether I would even receive my funds back. And within a few hours, they had returned the $700 back into my account. Now that was really impressive for me, because normally for my local bank, it would take them about 1 to 2 weeks in order to investigate before they would even consider returning the money back to my card. So as you can see, all three platforms have their pros and cons. But based on my three requirements, Payoneer comes out at number 1, Wise comes out at number 2, and PayPal comes out at number 3. If you're still confused on which platform would be best for you, here's a simple way for you to make a decision. If you prioritize global reach, then I'll go with either PayPal or Payoneer. But if you prioritize lower transaction fees, then Wise would be the best choice. But if you want the ultimate flexibility and don't mind the higher fees, then Payoneer would be the top choice overall. So those are the 3 best payment platforms to help you receive money from your foreign clients. If you found this video helpful, then you might like this video where I talk about the 4 easy side hustles that can help you make an extra $1,000 per week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.